So firstly, I'm taking a few different coloured wooden strokes on a flat 1/2 inch brush, and I'm creating these little Easter egg shapes. I made sure that the darker colour was always around the edge. I then wanted to add some daffodils to my design, so I started by drawing a yellow circle in the centre and then 6 daffodil shaped petals coming off the yellow circle. I repeated the same on the other side, and then I wanted to add a different colour daffodil, more of the yellowy one, so I mixed yellow and orange paint for the centre and painted the petals yellow. And then using the tag one stroke in leaf yellow, I added some leaves to fill in some of the gaps of the design. I then created some double dip flowers and, well, triple dip, because I initially went into a neon orange colour and then a neon pink, and I started adding petals and filling in the gaps. And then I went into a white face paint and started just adding some details. So I added highlight to the daffodil petals and added little dots to just bring the design together and fill in any other gaps. I highlighted the Easter eggs and then added little designs, different ones on each egg, to make it look more like a patterned Easter egg. I then coloured in round the back of the eggs with a medium green shade and added some stems to make it look like grass coming up from them. Using quite a weak watered down black paint, I added some shading to the daffodils to make it look a bit more three-dimensional, and then really lightly with a fine brush I went around the whole design with a black outline. I then went back into a neon pink shade and I just added flicks to all of my double dip flowers just to accentuate them. And then I don't know if it's just me that thinks this, but I thought the 2 petals behind the eggs kind of looked like 2 little bunny ears sticking out. So I added 2 bunny tails to kind of make it look like there's 2 bunnies hiding behind the Easter eggs, and I added some little eyeballs. It's probably just me that thinks that, and they don't look anything like that, but there you go. And then I added some more white details, bringing in more of like a princess shape around the eggs, and then I added some glitter and I added some starbursts to finish it off. I will list all the products I use down below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.